guys, Wesley here, back with another video, and today we're going to be installing these. I don't know the exact name for them, but they are diffuser ends kind of, and we're going to be installing them thanks to Kawaii. That's his Instagram name. I will link his Instagram and his YouTube channel down below. He used to have a sick wide body E46, and he has a 240 now that he's also making wide body. But anyways, he gave me these, he hooked me up. Thank you so much. But we're gonna be installing them today. I just painted them real quick. It's a test paint. If I do like them, let's wait for the car. Anyways, if I do like them, then I will repaint them, get them real nice. But today we're just gonna test fit them. I'm also using a gimbal. So let me know how the quality is and if you like it and if I should use it more. Alright, so now I'm just gonna use some screws and pretty much just take the diffuser little end, and then just screw it on right there. So yeah, let me screw it on real quick. So we finished installing them and they look really good from the side. It makes it look good in my opinion, but from the back, I think I need to get the other ends of the diffuser because I don't think it looks that good in the back, but from the side it looks really good. Thank you again for giving me this, and give me your opinions if I should keep them or uninstall them. But yeah guys, that's the video. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, have a great day.